Hi everyone, with this privilege I have now, I am now asking what is the dimension of force, okay? And that is what I will treat now. Please pay attention as I tell you what is the dimension of force. But before you get dimension of force, you will first of all know the formula for force. So what is the formula for force? Now, the formula for force is equals to mass times acceleration. Mass times acceleration. I use M to represent mass and use A to represent acceleration. So the formula for force is equals to mass times acceleration. Since we have known the formula of force, then we can now talk of dimension of force, okay? Now, the dimension of force will now be the dimension of mass times dimension of acceleration, okay? Please, I treated the dimension of acceleration in the previous video. Please make sure you watch it. Now, the dimension of mass is capital letter M. Then the dimension of acceleration has to do with the formula of acceleration. We have to get the dimension of acceleration from the formula of acceleration, which I've treated in the previous video, okay? The video will pop up on this topic, okay? So make sure you watch it because the formula for acceleration is change in velocity all over time. Please watch the video of dimension of acceleration. You will get that. Now, change in velocity all over time will now give us L, which represents the distance, times time raised to power 2. That is the dimension of acceleration. Okay, I treated this video on this. Make sure you watch it to know how I get this, all right? So now the dimension of force is now equals to M, which is the fundamental quantity of mass, which we use capital M to represent the dimension, times L, which represents length, and times capital T, which represents time, raised to power minus 2. This becomes the dimension of force. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. Okay, remember to subscribe or follow. Thank you.